Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Hope you all are fine and safe and sound at your home. This is your Geo book and I'm your Geo teacher. Today, this is the sixth video of Geo. Now, today we are going to discuss continent Australia. I hope you people know what is meant by continent. Continent is a large piece of land. We have discussed that there are total 7 continents in the world. And out of those 7, today we are going to discuss continent Australia, which is the smallest continent of the world. First of all, we will discuss the facts of continent Australia. In continent Australia, there are total 14 countries. In continent Australia, 14 countries are located. The largest country of continent Australia is Australia. The continent name is Australia and its largest country is also Australia. The major religion of continent Australia is Christianity. Christianity is the major religion of continent Australia, and its famous landmark is Grand Opera House, which is in Sydney. You know what is meant by landmark? Landmark means any visible symbol of a country or city. It may be any structure, natural or man-made, like a mountain, tower, building, etc. So, the famous landmark of Australia is Grand Opera House, which is in Sydney. Grand Opera House, which is the famous landmark of Australia. The competition to design an opera house for Sydney attracted 222 entries from 32 countries in 1957. John Erzon won the competition. It took 10 years longer to construct and cost over $100 million. It was opened by Queen Elizabeth in 1973. There are 5 performing halls, an exhibition hall, a restaurant, and a bistro. The Opera Hall seats 1,550 people and the Concert Hall 2,700 people. This is the picture of inside Grand Opera House. And this is the Grand Opera House picture, which is the famous landmark of Australia. The major cities of Australia are Sydney, Melbourne, Wellington, and Auckland. Sydney, Melbourne, Wellington, and Auckland. These are the major cities of continent Australia. The major wildlife of Australia are kangaroo, koala, and kiwi. Kiwi, koala, and kangaroo are the major wildlife of continent Australia. These are the wildlife of Australia. This is a picture of kiwi. This is kangaroo and this is koala. These are the wildlife of continent Australia. Now, some general information of continent Australia is Australia is the smallest continent, lying between Pacific and Indian Oceans in the southern hemisphere. In your social studies, you people have read what is meant by hemisphere. Hemi means half and the shape of the earth is sphere. So, half of the earth is known as hemisphere. The continent of Australia lying between Pacific and Indian Oceans in the southern hemisphere. Pacific and Indian Oceans. Oceans, you know, a large mass of water is called ocean, and there are total 5 oceans in the world. and out of those 5, Pacific and Indian Oceans are those in between continent Australia is located. Its total area is 76 lakh 92,202 square kilometer. The continent Australia is also known as Oceania. Oceania is the other name of continent Australia. As we have discussed that there are total 14 countries in continent Australia. So out of those 15, in our geo course of class 7, we have to go through only 2 countries of Australia. One is country Australia and the second one is country New Zealand. Total 14 countries are there in continent Australia, but in our course we have only 2 countries, that is Australia and New Zealand. So today in this lecture we are going to discuss country Australia. First we will discuss the facts of Australia. The capital of Australia is Canberra. Canberra is the capital of Australia. Its currency is Australian dollar. The religion of Australia is Christianity, and English is the major language of Australia. The important cities of Australia are Sydney, Melbourne, and Perth. Perth, Melbourne, and Sydney are the important cities of Australia. The popular game of Australia is cricket. Cricket is a famous game of Australia. The famous landmark of Australia is Grand Opera House. And the national symbol of country Australia is kangaroo. This is the flag of Australia. Australia is the 6th largest country in the world. It is an island country. Do you know what is meant by island? Island means a piece of land that is completely surrounded by water. So, Australia is an island country. A quarter of the world's wool is produced in Australia. Some of the beautiful animals like kangaroos and koalas are found there. Australian birds are very colorful and they are famous all over the world. It is a very rich country. The continent Australia is on page number 23 of our Geo Book 7. Australia. Total countries are 14. Largest country is Australia. Major religion is Christianity. Famous landmark is Grand Opera House, which is in Sydney. Major wildlife of continent Australia are kangaroo, koala, and kiwi. The major cities of continent Australia are Sydney, Melbourne, Wellington, and Auckland. The continent Australia is also known as Oceania. Now the country Australia is on page 26 of our Geo Book 7. This is the flag of Australia. Now first we are going to do the reading of the facts of Australia. The capital of Australia is Canberra. Its currency is Australian dollar. The religion of Australia is Christianity and its language is English. The country Australia is the 6th largest country in the world. It is an island country. Its important cities are Sydney, Melbourne, and Perth. High-tech methods are used for farming in Australia. Huge cattle and sheep farm produce dairy products, meat, and wool. A quarter of the world's wool is produced there. Cricket is a very popular game in Australia. The Grand Opera House in Sydney is the most famous landmark and symbol of Australia. Some of the beautiful animals like kangaroos and koalas can only be found in Australia. Kangaroo is also the national symbol of Australia. Australian birds are very colorful and famous all over the world. It is a very rich country. Now, I hope you people understand. This is the end of our today's video. Inshallah, in next video, we will go through the other topic of geo. Till then, best of luck and take care.